Now that we've explored the interface of a finished iMovie project, let's start one of our own. In the Projects section, tap the big plus sign in the upper left-hand corner to start a new movie. You'll notice that there are two choices, a movie project or a trailer project. Now, trailers are pretty interesting, and they can be fun, and they have some limited uses in the classroom. But for our intents and purposes, we are going to be creating a movie. And 95% of the projects that students tend to do are movies. Here's where we can begin with images or video clips from our Photos app. Now, you'll notice at the bottom of the screen in light blue font it says Create Movie. So I could tap that and just start with a blank movie. So you would go to the interface and there'd be nothing in it. But here on the left-hand sidebar there's albums. And as you recall, you can put together albums ahead of time to organize your work. At the bottom I have one called Black-Footed Ferrets with 5 images in it. And each one I tap, there's a blue check mark, and that means it's going to bring it in once I tap Create Movie. So now I'm going to tap that light blue Create Movie, and you'll see that I have those 5 images in my timeline. Now in the last video, you'll recall that there was narration, there was a title at the end, sound effect, and theme music. But here there's none of that. Also, you might note that the images are in a different order. Luckily, it's easy to rearrange the order of a photo. So this one right here that my playhead is scrubbing across is the one I want to start with. If I hold my finger on that image gently, it pops up. And then you'll note I can move it around. So I'll bring it to the beginning, let go, and now I'm starting with that image. I believe that was next. I think that order works for me, so I'm going to leave it there. So that's how you can bring video or images to start your project.